Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Slack for cloud team collaboration, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start using Slack, visit the official Slack website at slack.com. On the home page, look for the Get Started button in the top right corner and click on it. You will be directed to a new page where you can either sign in or create a new workspace. Since this is a tutorial on registration, click on the Create a New Workspace option. Enter your email address in the provided field and click on Continue. Check your email for a confirmation message from Slack. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You'll be redirected back to Slack, where you'll need to provide your name and a password for your new account. Once done, click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, you can set up your workspace name. This name will be visible to all team members, so choose something that reflects your team's identity. After entering your workspace name, click on Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to invite team members. You can enter their email addresses here or skip this step if you wish to invite them later. After completing this step, click Continue again. You'll then be taken through a brief tour of Slack's features. Follow the prompts to familiarize yourself with the interface and key functionalities. Once the tour is finished, you'll be taken to your Slack workspace dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Slack. Now you're ready to start collaborating with your team in the cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.